Hi, this is Brad Siff from BioWave. I want to invite you to listen to our 10th webinar on silver fabric knee BioWraps and their applications. Come learn why there are numerous benefits to using this technology for treating the knee. One of them being that we can treat 3 times the volume of tissue as compared to a conventional reusable electrode. And we are providing compression simultaneously while allowing the delivery of our high frequency nerve stimulation into deep tissue. It's a wonderful tool. We can treat most types of chronic, acute, and post-operative pain that surround the knee using this new advanced wearable compression electrode garment. Thank you. We look forward to seeing you.